Hi friends, today I am going to tell about how to report 90 days for online. Before you start, you should learn the 90 days notification requirement first. You can check the link for the full information from description below. One of them is, those who wish to notify 90 days online must be informed before the notice expires 7 to 15 days. For example, if your 90 days notifications ends on 26th of March, you should make it between 13 to 19th of March, because the online process may take 2 to 3 days to complete. In this case, you have only 6 to 7 days to report. If you have checked the requirement and your notice is in the meantime, then you can make online report with me. At first, you should enter Immigration Bureau web page. If you are unable to enter by yourself, then don't worry. I will put the link in the description below. You can easily get into this web page from there. Once you get into this web page, then click into the blue bar says notification of staying in the kingdom over 90 days or TM.47. Now you are in the first step of the reporting in this page. You must fill your real, personal and travel information in all of these blanks. Also type CAPTCHA passport of 6 digits and then check for the accuracy. If it is correct, just click into submit to enter the second step. In second step, you must fill your real visa information and your present address, also your email and phone number. Whether a 90 days notice is approved or not, you can see it through the email you specified here. Once you fill the blank, check for accuracy. If it is correct, then just click into submit to enter third step. In third step, your all information will appear automatically. Check for accuracy. If you found any of your information is wrong, then click into back to edit the information on step 2 and step 1 respectively. And if it is correct, then just read the important one, click here to agree and click accept to enter the last step of reporting. Here you may get one note, just click OK. In last step, as you can see from the transaction details below, my online 90 days notice has been already sent. Click into print icon to get your transaction reference number, which is in PDF pending file. You can print or download it on your device for follow-up or reporting to help desk when necessary. And this is the whole process of reporting online 90 days. Don't forget to check your email to make sure that your notice will approve or not. Best of luck. According to my email notification, 90 days report is approved. Next, how to check the status of your application. First, enter to Immigration Bureau web page and then click into the green bar says check the status of your application. You can check by your reference number from PDF file you had downloaded, or you can also check from your passport information. Once you done, just click into search icon to have a check, and just click search icon again to view. As you can see, my notification is approved. You can also print or download this application from here if you need. And the last one, click here to download and print the next appointment to keep it in your passport. This is very necessary. And you have done. I hope this video is helpful for you. Just comment me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.